zombie, yeah, yeah, zombie. Niggas know the time, niggas know the time. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Niggas know the time, niggas know the time. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Up in the garments.
Hey, it's Juice Man, riding through the hood, swagger on deck. Remind me why I should respect these rap niggas. Most of them are lies, they just fans, man. They ain't bout that life. Bout it, rowdy piper, DC sniper. We ain't like your zombie brain. I need brain, I'm insane from the crane. Sip a drink, 6 packs to the core. She can never lie, never so fall. A few cans of coke, now that bitch off the wall. Bitch, I'm high, fuck you on.
Niggas know the time, niggas know the time. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Niggas know the time, niggas know the time. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments. Flow is like zany, roll up in the garments.
Hip hop dead, that's cause we here. Bloodhound, I don't see fear, cause I smell it. Name a nigga better and it's get separate. Inhale pain, exhale vendetta. Smoke like I got 3 lungs of better. I'm in never whole print and my bitch in leopard. She ain't really my bitch, but don't tell her. She get hectic. I want brain, give me brain. Watch down pain with champagne. Sour diesel, hydroplane. Walking dead, zombie gang. How you gon' kill me? She already dead. Oh yeah, it's a tip, bitch. I ain't for the head. Only South syndrome, no wolf warrior. Psychedelic renegade, nigga, we the glorious.
Niggas know the time, niggas know the time.